As I was working on my previous tutorial for this mold, I was watching a show and saw a girl with a beautiful blue sequin jacket that had silver studs. The studs looked like our gems in this mold, so I wanted to recreate that. I started off using some ultrafine silver glitter and some silver mica and pouring that into the crystal edges. It only takes about 3 ounces to fill that area. Then I mixed up some gorgeous deep blue mica powder and put in some fairy dust glitter from Fairy Tale Apothecary. It takes about 5 ounces to fill the back of the mold, and I was hoping it would come out looking somewhat like that gorgeous jacket. It's a pretty easy pour, and now it's time to demold. Wow, I think I captured those colors great. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below.